Hi everyone, my name is Alex Stoner and I'm here to introduce the Tregarne WoodWelder. So this is our Tregarne WoodWelder. This machine is using radio frequencies to enable you to speed up your gluing processes. So now we're going to go over the basic functions of your Tregarne WoodWelder. First and foremost, we have the on-off switch here. Let me turn it on, light's letting you know that it's on. When you turn it on, you want to give it 5 minutes to warm up before you start using it. Above that, you have your ammeter or your power guide. This is what you're going to be looking at when you're using the handgun, trying to make sure that the needle is right at the red arrow. To the left of that is your timer. This timer allows you to set how long you want the RF gun to be in use. It gives a loud buzzing noise when the elapsed time goes by. Connected to the power cord for the gun is your trigger lead. This you want to make sure is not plugged in when not in use as a safety measure. So as the trigger is pulled without this plug in, nothing's going on. So now I want to show you the RF gun. The way this gun works is we're shooting out the RF frequency from the top electrodes here in an arc down to the bottom one. And we have various types of electrodes that you can use for your various types of joinery. Now that you've been introduced to the Tregarne WoodWelder and we've set everything up, now it's time to see how it works. First step is we're going to set up our wood and our jig and apply the glue. We recommend using any water-based glue. This is because when you're using radio frequency technology, what you're doing is heating up the water molecules in the glue, thus removing the moisture. Glue is now applied. We're going to set it up. We're going to clamp our jig. I'm going to wipe away any excess glue that we have here. Now that we're ready to use the Tregarne WoodWelder, make sure that you plug in your trigger lead. Now you want to make sure that the electrodes are going perpendicular to the glue line. Place it over, pull the trigger, and wait for the beep. Now we're going to release the jig and you will see that the wood is now cured. Can't pull this apart. To the touch, the wood will be warm. It does need a couple minutes to sit and fully cure, but after this you are ready to go. Now that this is set, you can move on to your next piece. And now to show that our glue has been set, we're going to do some stress testing to see if we can pull these pieces apart. So as you can see from our stress test, it wasn't the glue that failed, it was actually very well set. The wood was snapping and breaking, which is what we're looking for. We want to make sure that the two pieces are become one. Thanks for watching our video on the Tregarne WoodWelder. Hopefully we've answered some of your questions that you may have had about how the technology works and piqued your interest. If you have any further technical questions, please refer to the user manual or visit our website, woodwelder.net. For any other questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at your convenience.